Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2021? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011, 2012, and 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee houses fuses and relays that protect and control key engine and powertrain components like the fuel pump, cooling fans, and ECU. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee protects and distributes power to critical systems like the engine, transmission, cooling fan, and lighting. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee safeguards and powers essential components such as the engine control module, ABS, cooling fans, and lighting systems. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee distributes and protects electrical circuits for key systems like the engine, transmission, ABS, cooling fans, and exterior lighting. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee manages and protects power distribution to critical systems such as the engine, ECU, ABS, cooling fans, and exterior lighting.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.